crunching up.
What?
Well, now let's see. Something they don't like.
I think it's trying to take their baby.
He's flapping his ears, but I don't know if he's hot or upset. Maybe you're in the way.
Yeah.
I think not in the light.
Could be something, but not very much either. Yeah, you want that
Ma?
Who's Jackson? Dada will give you a flea. Ma? Ma, the meatloaf. The baby is so cute. It's very hot, elephant.
What?